Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a May Fashom unboxing. Stay tuned. This is what the inside of the box looked like when you get it. It does say hello beautiful, and it has my paperwork in it. Here is the return bag, so anything you don't want or doesn't fit, you put in this envelope, you take it to the mail, and they take it back. It's already paid for, so you're not paying any of that. I'm going to show you what my bundle looks like. Here's my bundle. And see if you can see some of the colors. Oh, I really like this like minty color. And then there's black and there's some pink. Cute, cute, cute. So let's see from the other side. Okay. So I will read my style card after I open everything up in my invoice. We will go ahead and do this. Take all of our items out. Okay, let's go with the first item. So this is item number 1. So it is a rounded neck with no sleeves. The bottom actually does have like a split in the bottom. It is a high-low, and that is really cute. So that is my first item. Let me go ahead and tell you about this item. Grab my glasses. Okay, this is made by Chris. This is made by Chris and Carol. It is the elephant print shirt, and it is $35. So that is really, I really like the print, and I really love the color. The color is just awesome. It looks like though that it might be a little big. I'm not sure if they have me under a medium or small, but you never know. So let's try our next item. Okay, so the next item is, it's kind of like a t-shirt. It says love yourself more, which is awesome. Oh, and it's actually navy colored, but it stretches. It's not like regular t-shirt material. I just love that shirt, love yourself more. And you know, we need to do that. We can't love other people till we love ourselves, right? So that just looks like a regular hem at the bottom. It looks like little, more like little cap sleeves, not completely sleeveless. So that one is really cute. I love that. And this one is made by Natural Life. It is the Rena graphic tee, and that one is $43. Okay. And so what I'm going to do with these items is as you watch my video, you're going to see I do a picture-in-picture video of me trying on the items and what they look like. So that will be really cute. Oh, this is super cute. Okay. So it's like a halter style. Can you see that it's a snake print? That is super cute. Okay, so in the front, it has like a crisscross. Don't know if you can see it. And in the back, it's got a halter. So of course, you're gonna have to wear a strapless bra or something like that with this. This is really pretty though. I'm really enjoying this box. So this one, the snake print one, it says white birch, and it says snake print top. And the price on that one is $41. So that's super cute too. I think she did a great job on my box. And I like this. So this looks like a mixed, not really a mixed media, but it's got stripes and it's got floral and more stripes. That is super cute. Oh, and the pocket on the front, if you can see that, has stripes also. Super cute. Everything is super cute, right? Oh my gosh. So this one, okay, it is also made by the White Birch. It is the Marley floral striped knit top, and it is 40-42. So those are all really, really cute. Okay, so I got a little pair of joggers. I'm a little concerned about the waist size. It is a pull on, but it still might be a little too tight on my waist. I'm not sure. So it's just a jogger, like a black jogger pant, but look at the top. It has animal print across the top. So that is totally cute. And it ties at the waist, and it does have pockets. So yeah, those are cute. I may have to size up on those. So this one is called the Gilly Jody Contrast Joggers, and cost for those is $48. So let me see this. So if I kept everything in my box, first my box comes to a total of $209. I would get a $62.70 discount for buy all, plus the $15 that I paid as a styling fee. So $131.30 is the cost for all of those. So let's start with number one. So the first item that I'm going to show you is by Chris and Carol. Okay, Chris and Carol. It is the elephant print tunic, and it is $35. I love the color. It's like a mint green. It's round neck, and then there's a keyhole in the back, and the front is much shorter than the back of it. Let me see if you can see it. So right here is the front, and then down here is the back. So it has a high-low. It fits really pretty. Like I said, I do like this one. The next item are the Gilly Jody Contrast Joggers, and those are $48. They are a little tight on me, so I would need to go up a size on these. They are really cute because look at the band that they have there. So they're a tie, they have a band, they do have pockets, and they are what do you call that? It's got a little cuff at the bottom. Super soft, super comfortable, except the waist was a little bit too tight for me. And as you all know, I have problems finding pants that fit, that are loose on my waist, but not on the rest of me. So those are gonna have to go back. Okay, there's the next shirt is Natural Life. It is the Rena graphic tee, and it is $43, and it is what I am wearing. So hopefully you can see. It is super, super comfortable. So it is not t-shirt material. It's more like it stretches. So it's a rounded neck. It has just a little bit of sleeve, like a little, it's not sleeveless, but it has just a tiny bit of sleeve. And it fits like a curved hem at the bottom, and it fits wonderful. So I really like this shirt. The next one is the White Birch snake print top, and that one is $41. So I did like the fit of this one too. And this would be a perfect shirt to take on a cruise. Super cute. You know, I hear myself say super cute and I think, I better stop saying the same thing over and over, but I can't help it. That's just me, right? So here's the front. It's got the crisscross in the front. Oh, I just love it. In the back is like the halter style. And it is kind of sheer, so I wear a little cami under everything. But when you get down to the bottom, it's really not sheer. It's only sheer up around the neck area. So I think it might be okay if you just wore, you know, a bra under it. So you're gonna have to wear either a halter bra or probably a strapless bra. I would say probably strapless for that. So I like that one a lot. Then the last item is the white birch Melee floral shirt, and it is $42. This is my favorite piece out of the box. So it's striped and floral, which I've never had, and I know I've seen them in like Stitch Fix boxes people get, or you know, NATALIE, ATTIRED, but I haven't had one yet. So there is the pink, and pink is my favorite. Pink stripe there, and then it has the pink floral. On the pocket, it actually has stripes. So it is, let's see how long it is. It has a curved hem at the bottom. It's not open though. Show you the back. So this is my favorite piece. Definitely want to get that. So let me go back and see. Let's go back. So let's see. You do get a discount if you buy 3 or 4 items. So if I got the shirt that I'm wearing, the snake print shirt, and that pink floral shirt, it will be, let's see, return those, 3 of those. So the total will be $79.60 for the 3. So that is awesome. Let's see, those are the 3 that I really like. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, tell me what you think they look like on me. Tell me if I should get them or not get them. Need some advice from my YouTube friends. So let me know below in the comments. Tell me what your favorite piece is, and please tell me if they look okay on me on the pics that I've picked. So I really appreciate it. And so subscribers, thank you very much for coming back again and hanging out with me. Those of you who just stumbled on my channel or found me through searches or other people's channels, thank you very much for viewing my videos. If you'd like to, subscribe below, hit the bell button so you are notified when I put out new videos. Hit the like button if you like this video so that my videos go out to more people. So I appreciate everybody, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.